Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another brand new compilation video for you guys. You won't believe what you're gonna see today. You won't believe. Like, I have surprise. Like, I have few giveaway for some persons. If you can, talk about, if you can get the question I asked in this comedy video, just watch it to the end. You will see what I asked. If you can get it, put it in the comment below and I will reply you, tell you if you win or not. All right guys, let's go to dive into today's comedy. Let's go.
Something wrong with you. I tell you, prepare something, they prepare rubbish for me. Scorpion. Yes, sir. Give me the gun. Yes, sir.
You don't know why it's going on.
Scorpion. Yes, sir. Oh, now. Short sword. Who is the next person? I come 8, 12. You come before me. Enter. Yes.
How did those manage to get here to comment? I'm on the fighting guy. Hey.
Give me the punches. Yes, sir.
Bombastic side eye.
Get out.
Jesus!
Come here. Oh, what's my material? You.
Hey, Carousel.
I said get in.
It's not going
Don't say you're slow like that guy just smoke for you.
I swear I'm not slow. I fast for everything.
For us, we do fasting and prayer every Friday. Even when I did not, I did fast.
From the TV. You are from Akwa Ibom.
I was from Calabar boy.
even
Let this dog.
Now, small thing now.
A sandwich. I love that dog so much.
Oh my god.
That dog not the only thing when still connect me and my papa. My late father. And as I not get picking so, I will take this dog like my son. His family. And I can do anything for this dog.
Oh God, now your fault. You know they talk together, they talk half. Calabar people will not use your ears.
Prepare dog. Let's support me. Scorpion!
This world is not my home. I'm just a person through.
What have I done?
Congratulations, my people. Get a free bet on winner's bet.
No,
all you have to do is switch that with my
on a
promo
serious
code Vipers in capital letters.
why
and
is the
get
guy
300%
you
bonus
are
on your
very
first
good
deposit. Press the take
that
part
whenever
button
you
on
make
the offer
any
page.
word,
1x free
like
bet.
when you
Place
give
a
any
single
order,
score
the
bet
answer
for at least
immediately.
310 naira
You started
on any
talking
sport
after.
event from today till
You have let them
Monday.
buy
Once your
yourself.
bets don't settle, you will get a bonus in form of a free bet of 100% of
It
your
will
stake.
be the worst
So what are you
thing
waiting
ever
for?
to that to
One
this
bet,
guy.
shop
I
money.
swear.
Oh
Let's go to the
shit.
next comment.
Viper say
Let's
so.
go, and I hope this one is just a trash. The next one is
Let's watch this video.
this one is going to be
Okay, for this day.
and I think it's going to be
Wetin be this? Wetin be this?
Is I no fit drink this thing now. You know say I be Lagos boy. This thing dirty now.
That's how they take am for you. The traditional palm wine. Take am.
Come with me, let me show you. You will love it.
Now wow. Ice Lagos.
Chief Obi, Lagos sweet. Yeah, I went to Lagos as a poor man, but now I came back to the village as a stinking billionaire.
So you don't get money.
Mr. Emeka, I feel like say you don't know what they call me. Me they call Shopofo Cubana and Chief Priest. Money now water. You're bad guy.
So how you gonna make the money?
Now give me bets, they give me short games where they bet on you. And see, their games they always they enter. You feel even join through the link in my bio.
You're a bad guy.
Money now water.
What the fuck, my sister? That's how they take am for you. The traditional palm wine. Take am.
Jesus!
I don't get me.
Shopofo, wake up, he still may warm up. They're going to polish your papa.
I think I've seen something like this, but I can't figure out where I saw it. If you know which movie Shopofo is trying to emulate with this comedy, let me see the comment. I think I have something for you guys. I will give you something if you can get it. Dave, let me see your comment. Let me not say much. If you know which movie they emulate this kind of thing.
Jesus. Good morning, sir. Welcome to Legacy Saloon. How may we help you?
Jesus! Jesus!
How you can help me now is to show me where una money dey dey.
Money? For manager office.
Move! Move! Straight! Go on, go. Join in. Yes, sir. I said join in.
Talkless, what's the problem?
Jesus.
Where's the money back?
Which bag? You think I dey play with you? Where the money back?
Where's the bag?
So who you have the bag and you ask me? Sharp.
You're a bad guy.
Life is simple.
Hold up.
Life no where the door handle?
You know get handle.
How I want to come out?
You know they open from inside now. Person from outside gas open now.
You dey mad?
Are you playing?
You dey prank me?
No, I know they prank you.
What do you mean by the door no dey open from this side? Bro, do something now. You don't dey slap me now.
I want for the slap where you give my manager.
I been dey feel your doings. You too good. Sharp. No worry. I'm in the road they come. Life no simple for you today. When the army comes, it's going to be hot for this guy.
Hi, welcome to my studio. You can have a seat.
In general.
So tell me, what do you want to do?
Actually, this is my very first time getting a tattoo, so I want to start with something very small, like the first alphabet of my name, T.
Oh, okay. I'd like please. So bring it high. Yeah, you can.
See, cool. Wow.
Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. See my head, they go inside this place. This guy, they give me linear cup.
Hey! Are you scared of noodles?
It is.
Oh, I understand. Don't worry. If it's paining you, you just put your hand on my boobs.
Jesus.
It's going to ease the pain. What? Don't worry, I got to do with customers like you. Just bring your hand. Yeah.
Hey!
Mommy, see.
Oh, really? All glory to me. That's what I do for you. Hey!
Okay, let's start.
I need a tattoo vendor like this. Please, can somebody please refer me to a tattoo vendor? What am I doing? I need this kind of tattoo store.
Hi guys, feed the rhythm of African football. Bet on CAF Champions League final. All you have to do is start with the increase of general and capital later to bet on managed bet to be able to win fantastic prizes.
Come on. I'll give that side. Let's see.
You're cheating on me!
Hey! Priya.
In fact, it's over between us.
It's not what you think.
Not what you think. Funny because I don't know what he's in India. He just wants to go. Like, he actually used the kind of the account. Funny Bros must actually act like them. This time, I think this one is a banger. Honestly, very big banger. Look at the way he dressed like one of those movie like you know Zanga. What is it called? As the girl is doing her hand like this, Funny Bros hand is moving like this. Anything happens to her actually going to affect Funny Bros. So like I'm seeing right now. I can't laugh with this. What's all this? They actually dress like the Indian people actually, like perfectly. The costume and everything. The girls actually in love. Look at who that they died for.
God have mercy.
Where is the airport? When has ever come?
God have mercy.
I don't really know what this means, honestly. Like
Hey!
that's really the news.
Charlie boy,
It's running for me, like the hand is still coming from far. How many seconds is it going to take for you to
Enough of all this. Let's come back together as one.
Thank you, Koma. I love you so much. But who's Jennifer?
Alright, this guy is going to please him very soon because they just caught him. You know, I posted a video about him and I said,
you just threw on the floor like that. Today we be.
Swear that it's only me that is in your life.
Shasha, why they talk like this? What they sort of sha? See, I don't feel like for you. If you search my heart, where? Oh Lord, I go your heart and my heart is burning like a flame. Oh Lord, because I know my mind has happened.
That's a big lie. Look at this thing in voice. I don't want to get out.
Wait. You give me transport fare.
Shasha. All this way they talk is not fair. And you don't forget saying I'm carry from junction come here ni. Don't worry, very soon what here. Joy is coming. Joy is coming. And joy is coming. They like and wait. Person will call us for me. They come my bed. What this place are
like
women.
A dog and sniff somebody's presence.
Swear you did not bring any woman into this house.
When I want to explain it, my head will be headache.
This is how men really are. I wonder.
Kekere has been keeping so many girls or hiding them in that wardrobe. Kekere and girls, Jesus, look at the many girls that is inside that wardrobe.
babe, where you go? Babe, please just stop.
I'm tired of this relationship. We cheat. I'm leaving.
So where? Me cheat? I'm not cheating on you. You saw me? You don't catch me before?
Never catch me.
No.
I
have a feeling that you're cheating on me.
Jesus.
Mechanic by this time of the night.
Devil, now you be.
The sky is outside now.
They play. What's it with that?
Hey!
Okay, fix this car now.
I want you to tomorrow.
Now everything's scattered for under this motor.
A devil,
like he knows how to
Mechanic they go around for.
Who is it that I've been calling you? Quick fast!
What's going on here?
Bro, Sister Moga they call you since you know they pick. She they wait for you for studio. Oh, Sister Moga.
Forget about this slot thing.
Babe,
waiting.
I dey come make I reach studio.
When you start to this thing?
Oh, you're better your back.
Babe! I want to know what I do here.
I'm having a feeling that you're cheating on me. That's why I came.
You guys can see I'm walking. Please go home. They go ask.
Jesus! See, me, I'm tired of being a side chico.
Now, if for searching the data magic.
Quiet! Nonsense.
Babe, trust me, I'm not cheating on you.
This guy's name is dead well. Like,
hey, I never Tinubu. Jesus. Tinubu.
this is mad. Like, the girl will never catch him in this life. Not in this life, maybe in the next world. Like, this guy is a great cheat. Let's see Talkless how it goes. Who be that? Okay. What's wrong with you, Talkless? Who is calling you? Who be that? This one you're running to the gate. What is fake?
Come. My love, no time say they come now. What happen?
Continue. We don't get problem.
Get problem? What happen?
Okay. I don't get belle.
I don't tell you say make they use waist trainer. They use waist trainer. Waist trainer go dey give you flat tummy. See now you don't get belle now.
What be this?
Are you mad? I say I'm pregnant.
It's okay.
Like, you're pregnant.
What is say na play? My brother dey outside sef.
You get brother? You don't say you get brother.
Yeah.
Ah, madman. Wait.
Now be this. Go. After you know her before.
Like this guy's names is everywhere.
I love you.
This guy's names lately.
Now you get the belly.
Who's belly miss?
Yes,
I don't know about the
sticker.
I did tell you something. You see, no, gee, they wind my brain.
It is gap teeth.
I will give you 48 slap for one place. Give him belly or be no be you.
Mommy,
I love you. Wow.
Continue.
See everything. See as everything fresh. Nice one. Your papa get money, oh.
I'm sorry for all of you.
Come go show me your papa, my friend.
Who please?
Come go show me your papa. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Come go show me your papa. Let's go.
Simon and with my corner come.
Oh yeah, fast one, my friend. Fast one.
Why you do papa?
Oh, we don't make count. We don't make count.
Talkless. How this?
Hey, don't talk say who is me. If you want to talk to your son, your son don't give my sister belly. You talk say who be these people? Who be these
my
people?
son?
Your son don't give my sister belly now.
Talkless. Who's your father? You know, see, person they feed person for Lagos, now person papa. Aji.
What I try to say?
He's my driver.
Yeah. I see. Who is the driver?
Talkless. Your salary that I've been owing you for 3 months. This is it. I never need them. Please take it. And please, your service is no longer needed here. You are fired.
Oh.
This is shocking.
Please, you can get out of my house with all these hoodlums you brought.
You know, they depress you.
You see your life? Everybody, they want to real what to buy one motor. And to focus on the motor. You see your life. See this thing.
Jesus.
Huh?
Continue.
I don't even 1 year we be na your salary. If you want work another salary, go village. See, this is my sister. I have to take care of him.
Okay. Share this phone.
Share with you the one. Okay, one share am. Mo go share am.
Oh. My God.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Are you a driver or what?
He shot you.
Aji. I'm driver.
Oh my God.
I feel like driving. Don't follow me. Follow your husband.
What do you do something that baby want to ask you?
Wait. My work, it don't go. My money don't go. But pikin come. Aji go do DNA test. My pikin don't be stress me like this.
What do you say you that I take this thing? Honestly, I play the part of the angle.
Yes.
No baby. This deal why they bring on your table, try to deliver. Why would you make me bring this deal on your domot now? Because we will be childhood friends. I just the only thing one person know they do convoy.
Baba, listen to me. 20 friends we play together for 20 years. If all of them they progress, how make all of us gather day? Bring the deal corner, baby ye be this.
Philo, so you got more give and that deal. Me I believe saying go deliver. Now why childhood friend be this now?
You sure?
Baba more give I mean go deliver.
Okay. In the next 20 minutes we'll go there, we'll go clear the deal. For now, for the culture, puff pass.
No baby, what is smoke now?
I don't collect my 30%. How? Baba, na me do my work I do. I pass work on your table. I collect my percentage.
Wait, I don't understand.
Baba, listen to me. Even woman when they labor, they ask me for favor because I did deliver. Now my work I just do.
For Igbo.
Baba, I dey learn work. Listen to me, oh. If you want to collect high money from Oyibo, you guys stay high on Igbo. I make you not forget say if all you know to your head. If you stay near bakery, may no see your daily bread. I rest my case on God.
How be even the deal be this?
Okay, no.
This one take the as a work personally.
Mama the mama.
Like so personal.
No vex. What's happening? I want withdraw money.
How much you want withdraw?
I'm looking at I want withdraw 1 tune.
I go do you well, my coffee. Sure, God. I dey come, see la come, Look at God.
Let him say they are not.
That's what they do for you.
too much.
Madam, I want withdraw 20k.
Let's go polish your papa. I beg come on for here, Jare. No see better customer for here. Who please? Won't go spoil this my business.
I'm not here speaking out.
Stand down. Oh, yeah.
Let's start what we have come into the room to do.
Now, not tell me that so that they treat people.
I'm not so with the treat special customer like you.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
So, Oga, 1 million. Now 100,000.
I don't understand. Who be one withdraw 1 million? Now 1,000. Okay. Now be one withdraw. Which one be 1 million?
All these rich men say, "Wasabi carry person play." Oga, to make I no waste your time. You be busy man now. Now transfer you want to abi now.
Which one be 1 million? Now 1,000. Now be one withdraw. You don't small 1,000. So how much be 1,000 naira charges? I bet quick talk.
No, I don't blame you. I don't blame you.
Where you want make this bullet enter? Your head. I be your belly.
Madam, you quick?
Scared like you. You didn't even allow me to say the amount. I wanted to say 1,000. I said no. You just pick me from nowhere. Landing. Stop feeding me. Now you want to kill me.
Guy, maybe that guy will you give out here.
Ebuka!
Some of you don't know how to
Nine. Wait spot for your house.
clap. You just so full your mouth.
Ebuka, Devi.
What the guy don't get that clear?
I be now.
Ebuka.
Yes. This is so cool. Oh my god. Bad guy. I did be bad guy. The apple.
Ebuka, you don't come here.
Yes. The vibes now.
Let's not play, man. You want that one?
Ebuka, my god. I'm not shaking. I don't know whether you don't get chance or like this. The vibes now. I don't get my client now. My white tea. Everywhere done good like this. You know the matter now. Who don't know chinedu? I swear, the person never feel bad here. Catchy.
Hey, naga, Layi to be na do go.
Maga the single go.
Maga the single go.
Maga the single go. Okay, you know say that song trend. Say Phoebe say she just hear her, but you know the thing going international now. Now the vibes, like Phoebe say she just hear her for that vibes. Cause on still they suffer.
We still the suffer, oh boss.
On the sofa. Oh mo. Bro, never give up. When it's your time, everywhere goes soft.
Jesus.
I don't know what kind of
Maga they motivate.
Maga no they motivate too.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
This is the Angel gift card app. You can download the Angel gift card on Apple Store or Play Store. Their price is the highest in Nigeria. They're fast and reliable. Feel free to trade with them.
I swear.
No more scammers. No more Maga. Aje.
So what's that your name again?
Ons.
No, your real name.
Olome.
Maga no the answer. Where do you stay?
Ogombo.
Maga the stay Ogombo.
Maga no the stay Ogombo.
Maga no the stay Ogombo.
Okay.
I don't get. I think I get Jackie Chan. I don't know say that Jackie no Chan.
We gon' meet for Ogombo.
Ogombo. So Jotter lives there. I think they met each other there. Like wildlife coach. Does it bite? Does it bite? Does it it has biting. That thing just bite. The snake are fucking me. Open down. It's cool. Wildlife coach. Cleaning your guard the top. When it comes to animals. This Pikeleti. This girl with like mango. Big Papa.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
I'm recording. That's why I was recording.
What all those guys won't see for the back? Like, what are they trying? What do they won't see? They won't see. They won't see bad things.
Don't go too fake.
Yes, but why you shout now? But this one from show class. You no get account. Wait, what did you do?
I don't dare my friends.
Shit.
My friend, shut up! So you think you have the right to sell stolen phones, Abby?
Are you whining yourself?
If I need a phone, I'll buy from J-Plug.
So you need J-Plug too?
Yes.
They just open new branch for Lekki Admiralty Way.
So you steal from them too, Abby?
No, I don't steal from people where they buy from them.
No worry, when you reach barracks, those your people will come pay you.
When you marry a Lagos man, let's see what happened there. Because this guy is a Lagos man, a Lagos guy. And that woman with KJ is his wife. Ha 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 ha. That caught you at Don't tell me you don't do that. Snapping your longy. I want to send it to another woman. It's crazy. I'm busted. It's again. I'm not gonna What a crazy act. The guy deserved that beating from the girl. I swear to God. Let's say this one Ojuku on it, and they're playing what? And I think this guy is the guy that usually
Swap! You don't tell it now. What's happen now? You not chop now. Where they pack my money go? You don't touch it. Wait till always won't happen now. You know me, oh. You know I see the give money and go. I go. I go chicken. Yeah, you know they are what happen. They weird. Okay, what you are doing is not nice. What you are doing, I was passing on my own. You don't even call last card. You don't even call take up. You don't even pack money because the guy no fit talk. Baba, give my money. Give my money. Give the money. Okay, who you be? They fear you. They don't they do.
Since then, Comey, I never seen anybody who is stupid like you for this world where they live. So.
That's why I die, you.
Solo.
I don't know what you are saying. Talking. Now you buy.
Yes, guys, let's get this ready now. You guys know why we're here now. Go see show us what you got now.
Hello, mommy. Shut up, Joe.
Hey, my God. I see victory. Sharp.
Listen. Hello, mommy. Shut up, Joe.
Hey.
I'm going to try it.
You guys, you know what? I'm not going to call my mom. I'm going to call my dad.
God have mercy.
Hello, daddy. Shut up, Joe.
Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Call your mom fast.
How many times would they tell you,
know your mom
before you know that Nigeria is not?
Hello, mommy. Shut up. Careful now.
Trauma of the past experience.
You don't have to disrespect our mom.
Chinedu, to be in this gang, you have to prove yourself. And this is one of the things you have to do. Because together, we are the bad guys.
It's pity for you.
Okay.
You dey use your function to play. You dey use your generation to play.
Hello, mommy. Mommy, shut up, John.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
This evening you will die.
Why are you dying? You're looking back. God help. Later that day, you're going to die.
Since then, you have not gone inside.
No, it's not that I'm afraid of my mommy. I'm just outside collecting air.
You know, call your mommy, tell me.
Help me. God help me. God help me. Help me. Help me.
That I sharing a Broda will answer.
Chinedu, you're just coming back. Welcome, my son.
What type of plane
I just
is
finished
it?
eating now, and I made your favorite food. Come, so that I will give you food to eat here. She's not hungry.
I want to see you.
Guys, I just got into the house now. My mommy is not hungry. I told you guys, I'm a bad guy.
Bad guy? I think sometimes in the life I'm too competitive, you know. It's good to be competitive on the field.
It's me you're talking to like that on the phone. I'm your mate. I'm with you, spiritual. No problem. Jimmy!
Hey guys, iPhone 14 Pro to be won on 1xBet. All you need to do is use my promo code DK300 DK300 to get 300% bonus on your first deposit, and also click take part in the offer page WOW promo, and then you stand a chance to win iPhone 14 Pro or 4.5 million naira or bonus points. Click the link in my bio, or you click the link in the comment section and use my promo code DK300 to enjoy this offer. Cheers.
Hey, Ababi! Lap here! Right here, have you not the Joes?
Hello. Alpha now, what's in the job?
Okay, I dey call now the Jones. Now what collect? Come on, make una upload nothing there for your body. They look me.
Hey!
You dey want? See these children.
You want to obtain us?
Now they carry me, they play, but the Jones back, they play. Oga, bring your phone. They follow you, they laugh, my guy. Come on, bring out your phone.
What is this?
My man.
I hereby pronounce you husband and wife.
I'll see my they got they actually getting married. They treat each other. Man, I'm robber, woman, I'm robber. They're going to make a perfect wife or perfect husband.
As you fall in love to become an idiot, it costs.
Original black market fuel. Original black market fuel.
Okay, see, I'm buy black market. I'm going to go police station.
1,000 naira per liter. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, my brother, sound again now.
Fine, sir.
I'm going to get fuel.
We have backed a great and Broda amount of premium models.
How much?
Sir, the filling station opposite us is selling for 1,300 naira per liter, but we are selling for just an infinitesimal and a modicum amount of 1,000 naira per liter.
I'm saying a better fuel. Okay, no talk. This fuel, a better fuel, very nutritious for your car. Forget that black market, it's about the fuel, it's white.
Okay. Sir, your car will enjoy this fuel because if you use it, your car will run like Ferrari.
Oh yeah, no problem. Give me 10,000 naira.
We are in business. We are in business now.
That's very good.
Clapper for Jesus. Clapper for Jesus.
Sir, please open your fuel tank.
Okay.
You don't know why it's going on.
Thief.
And you that are selling fuel for you just
I'm done, sir.
You should sit on everything.
Look at it now. Hey, I won't lie to you.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. My guy, I told you this is a done deal.
I'm brother.
See, my head is filled with Broda and Patagrelian business ideas.
A man of wisdom.
See, just these 5 liters of fuel, we are going to sell it to more than 50 people. We will make a lot of money. In fact, let's share the money. Let's share the money.
We are in business. We are in business now.
Like I said, 50-50. Yes, no cheating. 50-50, no cheating. So, you know that location we were standing.
That location don't cast.
That's true. We need to look for another location. I'm thinking that or that junction.
Okay, that one.
Hit the ground run.
Very cheap. Very cheap fuel. Black market fuel. Very cheap.
Better fuel. Black market.
I've not done it before.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, absolutely. How are you now?
Fine, sir.
Do you have fuel?
Yes, I do.
Okay, how much per liter?
Just 1,000 per liter, sir.
1,000 naira. Oh, yeah, give me 5 liters.
Okay. These guys are
please open your fuel tank.
All right.
Thank you.
These guys are cashing out massively. Every day for the take, one day for the yeah.
What's going on here?
What's going on here?
Sir,
calm down. You've already caught us. You know fuel is very expensive in this country. This is how we survive. But since you've caught us already, we are going to share the money with you. Just calm down.
Okay. Wow. So you will give me my own share?
Officer, yes, your car key. I just finished buying the fuel for you.
Jesus.
Okay. Sir, wait. Is this your car?
No, it's not my car. It is your car. So you are one of those 419 people that have been scamming people with fuel. We've been receiving several complaints about you people. Thank God I've caught you today. If you move, I move. My friend, enter this car. Jesus. Enter the motor. Jesus. Enter the car.
Gaga to Gaga.
Gaga. Let that madman help you now, since you got the eyebrows from him. Police officer. There's no way you deny anything.
Hi.
Well done.
Welcome. Customer.
Okay. Madam, you get fresh tomato?
Fresh tomato.
Let's have it.
You don't finish. Oh. I will go market tomorrow.
Okay.
There's no way.
I bet you get onions.
Onions.
Ordinary onions.
Hey.
Jesus.
No, I don't get onions.
Okay. You go buy them tomorrow. Yes. Okay. Madam, you get a grounded egusi.
Hi. You don't finish. And tomorrow I go buy all these things.
Okay. You're done. Okay. You get salt.
Salt. I don't get them.
Yeah. Give me my money. I think this man no dey sell anything here. She no go get. I think this I go win. This man no dey sell anything here. She no dey get. Madam. I think this 500. Nobody she no go get. Even just a waste time.
Like I can relate. I've been to a store where I asked almost the simplest things to get in anywhere. This woman said she doesn't have that thing. I relate.
Babe, this one you're like this. What's the problem now?
Let's have it.
Babe, I need 100K urgently.
Jesus!
Wait. Because I asked for just 100K.
Jesus!
Don't worry again.
Pass me the ganja.
Then I they pay me and they waiting with this.
Babe, I'm sorry.
You were?
It was just like I'm seeing things, so I don't know. I think, babe, don't be angry. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry. My baby,
man, that
So
conscience.
babe, are you going to give me the 100K now?
I can't relate. And the song actually perfect match for that comment.
What's the problem?
Stop calling my name like that. I'm done.
You are done?
Yes.
After everything I did for you, so this time you want to leave me?
Look, my new boyfriend will pay you for everything you have done for me. He will even give you extra because you have money.
Who's that new boyfriend? I would like to meet him.
Uncle Nami.
Lege, what happened now? This boy, what have I done to you?
Everything.
What is all this?
Uncle, you know you're a wicked man. And this is peace. And there is no peace for the wicked. So you belong to me now. Man of peace.
My son, let's make peace. Your father is my younger brother. I cannot do anything bad to you now.
Uncle, as you can see, I'm with peace. So you know I love peace. I'm ready to make peace.
You ready?
Yes.
Jesus!
Uncle, you won't strike me, but I'll give you counter attack. Kopama. Uncle, see. This your 2,000 naira juju. You can't supersede my 2 million naira juju, Uncle. You get lost so you come on your hand now. If not, and your burial for the plan now. Rice go plenty. ROSVP. Rice and stew very plenty.
ROSVP. Rice and stew very plenty. Come on, where did you derive that?
No go on, Jen.
Make I arrange it. I have wait. Go.
You feel like a big outside. before. I already admitted the fact for one more first.
Baby, what is it now? How to break my waist?
Come on, shut up.
Calm down. Make I calm down. I earn gym for you. You want make I calm down? You don't know how much you be fair now.
Not true. But I can't.
I love the girl for that. The girl is a very understanding girl, and an understanding girl for that matter. Oh, yeah, can't do. I know. Now, wow, I love this kind of girl that understands straight to the point. They say we call the wine me during action. Where is this carrying a lady?
I think this guy said, I want this thing to be urgent now. Engineer!
Okay. Good morning. You don't reach this side. You don't reach this side. Good morning.
Engineer, what's happen now? I tell you, sir, we want to make this thing do urgent now. Why don't I never start to pour the LinkedIn now?
Okay, they never give us cement now. Cement now, they hold us now.
Cement where my in-law don't bring since day before yesterday.
But I brought it since day before yesterday now.
No cement now. Cement are the way for since now, God. I for don't start. I for don't.
They never carry cement.
No, now.
Are you sure?
And even they try your line, see, you know they go.
Your papa tell me say don't drop the cement.
That was what he told me yesterday, since day before yesterday too.
Sure. Don't let your brother spoil you for you. You this girl. Rukky will take
so nobody don't bring cement.
No, God. If person bring cement now, work for all the start.
Now Rukky knows don't make papa.
He's not picking up.
I'm not going to take it lightly, honestly. This is crazy now. I've paid you for cement and you're still delaying the fact that you're mad.
Maybe call him later.
I'll call him again first.
Maybe he's not with his phone.
Tell me say don't bring cement yesterday.
So you guys have not started anything?
No, not the cement that they work.
But you should have called him since.
I try a line. The line not go. But don't start work.
She say your partner call they pick my call.
Babe, calm down.
They say your partner call they pick my call again.
Let me call
I better call with your phone.
What is all this?
The person in question is her father. I thought he's her brother.
Calm down now.
For don't start work.
But you should have called since morning now.
They try a line.
The father want to spoil show for this girl. Oh, okay, we not follow this girl again.
I don't see they go for your phone.
He's not connecting now, babe. Calm down now.
Sure? Say calm down now.
Are you sure this is not the
You
plan?
want chop the cement? Calm down.
You ask whether I want to chop the cement.
Calm down.
You know they call and I not agree they pick my call.
Wait, let me call him myself.
I tell you buy cement before now. You say your party supply cement. Man, try hand now. We are seeing that work don't get pending.
I say you should calm down. Let me call him now.
The father is a thief, and the father will settle this girl. He will settle the daughter from the money because I think they are planning it.
Hello, Daddy. Yeah, how are you? Fine, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Calm down now. The cement money when my guy give you money, may you buy so put for the site. You know buy him again. The cement now when you pay for since day before yesterday now.
I dropped off for the site yesterday. I don't drop off for the site.
Wait. You drop cement for site and we did the site like this cement no day.
Good.
We did the site like this now cement no day. Hello? You did.
Your party cut call.
Calm down now.
No, your party cut call.
Babe, calm down.
Tell her the campus swap you. You never tell the tell so.
You want computer? Calm down.
They tell you when I want computer. Your boy for our commerce here now. They tell you when I want computer. If like your partner on the campus when I.
Okay, you want match my pride because of how much cement?
I go remove that. If now your partner was quite relationship.
If I was the guy, I would just keep mute. Like I was quiet in this kind of situation.
So you know what I did? Do something.
I'm telling you.
When I can never carry the cement, but you just
say do something. I got person don't be cement cost yesterday. Then they call her now the cut call. Your partner cut call. You have money.
Now they shout for like that.
I don't marry you. The relationship go pass yes. Kata. Call him again.
Wait, let me call him again.
Sure? I gave you to buy my cement before. Now you come and say your partner supply cement. Man, patronize your partner. Now work they pending. I never they call. I know they pick my number.
Hello?
Wait, talk on this
one. I don't know why they hurry. Calm down. Hello? Daddy, I dey talk to you, you dey cut call. Where oh yeah, wait. Where the cement come dey for the site now? Where the cement dey?
Come, Ose, now be calm down, matter. You dey ever try to tell you so? If I not see this, your part cut call.
Give me my phone.
Your part cut call. No one. Where the set for your part? You so carry food go give your part for I say bet me.
Which kind of
This
Your
thing
part
can make
collect
a man go
2.5 million
mad.
naira because of price net.
On
And
top
you
my
can't money
money.
get wrong.
Any call me.
No, I'm not gonna pick my call.
I'm trying to
No,
press
why not
your
pick my
work.
call? Your part don't know you dey deal with. Engineer, no worry. I go settle the matter. I'll get back to you, engineer. The close. Don't tell you say I come for army. They go punish you.
I'm expecting that. I'm expecting it. I'm expecting it. Like, yes, I'm expecting Rukky to take the reward from that girl. Like, take the hair. Oh my God. Once you collect back your property after breaking up with the lady. They look nyash.
Jesus. God have mercy upon us.
That one would have died. You actually go to the
This boy.
He was also looking at the nyash.
Buy too sweet. Too sweet. Go. Can you man? What did you do?
What can I say against that man? I know. I just said I'm maybe.
No, no. You're not supposed to send small people like this to buy something like that. Each waiter no give waiter from GGM farms. That's the best place to get frozen fish, frozen chicken, crate of eggs. Wow. The best. My investment. I never call my investment.
Iwundu.
You get it?
I'm going to West Yarumego.
Okay. Bruh, look at your toothpick sweet. Thank you very
Jesus!
What is that?
Jesus. Is this what I said?
Boy,
Your toothpick sweet.
Now me too sweet one.
boy.
Very good. Only the sweet. Okwasika ko je gote.
Not toothpick sweet.
Is that six feet? Are you not wise?
One guy, you need to shoot him. Babo this boy now.
Okay.
Babo this boy now.
Wow.
You get it?
Oh, sorry.
Bro, what are the toothpick sweet? Babo this boy.
Oh my God. You actually you have to be short, like, oh my God. I can't laugh alone. Thank you guys for watching this comedy compilation video, and I appreciate you guys for sticking around. As for many of you that stick around, to watch this to the end, I want to say a big thank you to you guys, and please don't hesitate to subscribe if you've not. If you're yet to subscribe, you're doing us no good. Just subscribe and turn on the post notification bell icon. That bell will enable you get alert from us whenever I post a new video. Yes, you'll be the one to receive the alert firstly. So you just have to turn the bell notification. And also don't forget to share this video to all your social media platforms, and also try to comment. That comment is actually nice. Commenting on my videos, give a signal to YouTube that people love my content, and it also give a signal to YouTube that what I'm doing, like the audience are interested about it, So I'll urge you to do that. Comment and keep liking. There is no harm, there is no money. You don't have to pay for anything. You don't have to pay to comment. You don't have to pay to like. You don't have to pay to subscribe. You don't have to pay to turn on post notification bell icon. And you don't have to pay to share the video to all your social media platforms. You get that? So guys, today's comedy, I think you enjoyed it. Yes, you enjoyed it. Even you pretend not to enjoy it, you're lying. I know that you enjoy it. I really love Funny Bros. Funny Bros actually coming out with different styles, different patterns, and I love the way it comes out, on today's comedy with this kind of pattern. And we all never saw it coming. Honestly, he actually came out with another style, trying to depict another Indian movie character. And I love this one. I love the way he acted it, the costume, everything, the car, the sound, everything. It was nice. It was nice. And I know you enjoyed it. So let me see you comment what you love about that Funny Bros comedy you just watch. Yes, the one you just watch. Let me see your comment about it. And also, let's talk about Shopofo. Shopofo, I said something that if you can, comment the movie, like the name of the movie Shopofo is trying to emulate in his comedy by all this drinking and spitting in a bowl. Like I'll pick randomly, and I won't tell you what I'll give you. I won't tell you what I'm giving out, but I'll pick, and I'll just I'll pick randomly, and I'll comment. I will reply your comment, and I'll inform you you've won. You've won, or you win anyone, So that is it. And I think we're not going to be saying much on this comedy today. So guys, without further ado, let me quickly go and keep uploading more comedy for you. We're going to see you guys on our next comedy compilation video. Have a wonderful time. Stay out of trouble. Pray before you sleep. Bye and bye and bye. Peace out.